Hello everyone, this is Lipsa here from Unique Speaks. I'm an entrepreneur and also I am a public speaker. Yes, public speaking from my heart, it's my passion. I'm working on this. Yes, but let's share with you some awareness, some important and sensible things which is needed most in our day-to-day life. Before starting something, let me talk about something. What is the news for today? What's going on? Yes, everywhere corona. With this corona, do you know what is the reflect of our society or our lifestyle? Yes, everywhere having these four things: job loss, first one; business loss, second one; and corona. When you will go, no clue. Maybe 2 year. The research says more than 2 year it will take to revive. Then no money, everyone having depression and worried, right? Is this true or not? Yes, it's true. Research says more than 4 million jobs are already lost across the world. Do you think the 4 million is a small word? I don't think. And this is not a joke, and you can also listen the various of news this is happening and also happened. So why I'm telling this, with this fast income, we need a second source of income. Anything will happen, the second source of income will save us. Otherwise, if you have only one income, if you have commitment and responsibility, then you have to think, right? Oh my God, what about my family, my children? What I will do? Like this situation, yes, thank God I am into some business last 7 to 8 months where I got more profit. Yes, I am growing slowly, but I will grow. How it is, let me talk about something about this. I'm requesting to you everyone here to hear this video for 15 to 20 minutes. It will give a sensible information to your mind. You might be listen about this, but you have to listen my unique point. Yes, that is what most important. Let me talk about every situation what will happen. You only with you, you, without you, you can't do anything. Nobody will come to help you in terms of financially, right? The second thing, you need time. When you should give time, invest time for yourself. You should be a passion, then hardworking. This fourth thing will take you everywhere. Success will be own boss. And most important thing, you should not have any fear to doing anything. Yes, I can do it. This attitude, we need this. Yes. So let me doing something before I am going to topic. This is one glass. I'm keeping here in front of you. This is 2 glass. This is 3 glass. And this is 4 glass. And this is 5 glass. And this is 6 glass. Let me add more. I'm sorry, there is so much of air. That's why. So how it is looking? It's looking like a tower. Small one glass. If I adding more, it will be like this more, like Eiffel Tower. Okay, the small drop of water, if you added more, it's like a ocean. But when flood is coming, how dangerous it is, right? Yes, but in this all glasses, if one is not supporting from middle, it is falling down. Like it's fell down, every entire this thing will be broken. Why I'm giving this example? Let me talk about this. First of all, this, just look at this and think, this is your family member, all 10 glasses. Okay, one glass is the most important glass. Who is doing keeping money inside this, like this? Suppose this is the money, I'm keeping money inside this glass of glass. So this money is depend upon that much of family. Okay, certain some reason something happen with this family member and its money is going out, then think, what about them, right? Yes, I'll tell you why I'm showing this class. This is what the exactly situation of many of families, especially from middle class families and poor families. So This is what we need, a solution for that. We cannot depend upon a particular job every time, right? So let me tell about how many of you hear about network marketing. Oh my god, now you are definitely going to kill me, and you are talking about what time wasting this girl is doing, right? And network marketing is like a chain type business, like a wasting of money, and there is no team, right? And it like, who will interest for this? It's a waste of time, right? But I would requesting to you, please wait for next 10 minutes. You will able to understand what network marketing is. And especially when where I am working, there will be no traditional sale, there will be no investment and no target. You're thinking, is this girl is telling lie? No, I'll prove here. Yes, I'm doing last 7 to 8 months, because we have our unique way, we have our unique system. This is very important. Most of the 90% people don't follow the system and are telling network marketing is waste of money, but it's not like this. If you compare the billionaire Warren Buffett, he is the toppest billionaire in the world and working for three multinational network marketing company. Yes, check about Citi, Avon, and other international companies. They have started their career in network marketing, then going to a proper business. Yes, and I will prove this how it is. And we have a proper training. Training means, many network marketing is there, they will not giving the training, and the people are telling it's a waste of money. Did you remember when you were a child, your father, mother, or senior used to tell that do that, don't do that, like this? Why? They are mentor. They are giving you proper training for the future. Like this, we have a proper training method from our global leaders, from our national leaders. So it's not easy. Not every company giving this type of training free, that to be every day, right? So first of all, joining free, training free, in module and system information is free. Then what more you want in network marketing? Let me talk about what is the company name and how you are doing the work. And I am not telling this thing like this. I have been gone through the many books. This is one of book from Deepak Bajaj, Four Dad, Rich Dad and Four Dad, other network marketing videos, other network marketing books also. I have gone through this, and I am just amazing why I did not get this offer previously when I am searching jobs eagerly. I am ready to just imagine 20-21 year finishing the graduation, and the people is continuously doing the job for 40 year, that to be 8 to 9, 10, 11 hours. But I am not ready to give my valuable 2 to 3 year in this. Yes, in it I have given you an example of tower. If middle one tower is falling down, then entire tower is falling down. It's similar example of network marketing. If my team one member is not supportive, I cannot grow alone. Yes, I need to grow with my team. That's why I can build like this a tower. This is example. Okay. So my dear friend, I am working with Oriflame, which is Sweden based company, last 50-year old company. This is a wellness beauty cosmetic enter the world number one company, and it's based on naturally. I love their products. In my home, if you come, everything is like Oriflame. It's not like I have money, I am using this. Give me some example. I am using the daily things. Let me tell you, if you are using any other brand's soap, if you are using other brand talc and other brand kajal and things, what you are getting? You are getting something. So you are not getting anything. You are making them to rich. Suppose in some shop, some Bollywood celebrities are acting, cricketers are acting because they are attracting you. They are taking money by you are buying the soap. This company and this advertiser becoming rich, but you are not. And right now I'm telling, suppose in Oriflame I bought this soap, I am growing my business, and also I am supporting my team to do this. Let's give you 10 most important things which we are using day to day life. Toothpaste, either to be kid or adult, talc, kajal, nail polish, cream, face wash, soap, protein powders. And for makeup you might using mascara, other popular things is there, it's depend upon you. This more 10 things I have given is daily we are using. Whatever 1000, 1500, 2500 rupees I spend for other brand, if I stop this buying from this Oriflame and doing the continuing my business, how it will be? The similar way I will guide to my friends to do the same. Obviously they will love. Which brand will giving you commission? Which brand will giving you this type of opportunity? No, that's right. And most important thing is recruitment. Even if you go for a 10,000 job, 10,000 rupees job, you have to face 3 round of interview. First the HR round, then operation round, then manager round, even written test. If you're going for 30,000 job, the interview will be like this. If you're going for 50,000 job, the interview will be like this. Level will be high. Like this, if you want from Oriflame 10,000, you have to give recruitment accordingly 10,000. If you go for 40 or 50,000, then you have to do the recruitment accordingly. Even the HRs are doing recruitment. You are the lucky one who is staying at home and doing the recruitment. By recruitment you can increase the team member, and for the recruitment you no need to go and beg someone else, please join, please join. There is a proper way, there is a proper system you have to follow. What is the system? Once you join through the training you are able to know. Yes. And most last important thing, the communication and the training system, interacting with the person to person that you love. You will be change yourself, you will become the coach one day. Yes. And most important thing, my team is like my family. If anywhere I need to share something, I always used to share my mentor. This is what happened today, I'm very upset, and she used to give me so much of motivate things, and I used to feel positive. Instead of crying, I used to make myself strong. In by sitting home I can do this work is not easy for me. And talking about target, yes, there is no target, but in my life I feel if I make a target to reach somewhere, I have to fulfill this target. Yes, that is called team target and your own target. Suppose you are going for banking, suppose you are going for any industry, there is a target of revenue, there is a target of completing time. If you not, the boss will be scolding you, but here if you not, nobody will scolding you, but as this much of work you get this much of money, this much of work you will get this much of money. It's like this. Apart from that, you have certain methods like foreign visiting, like events, like cash hours. Yes, if you there is a target, if you achieve this target you will get this much of cash bonus. This is what the method. And during pandemic, who will going to give this? And this is the network marketing, not a small industry, it's a vast, it's an industry, vast knowledge that after joining, if you passionate about doing this and if you're ready to give 4 to 5 hours consistently, 1 month you cannot make the reach. People are doing for 2-3 months telling that I am not earning anything. This is wrong. For getting a job of 10,000, 20,000 blah blah things, you have read career from 15 years, long 15 years. Getting a retirement for a security, the similar amount you are doing 40 years continuously going coming office. Why don't you giving your 2-3 year consistently and take this opportunity, try and then tell me it is easy or it's good or bad? Yes. Never you hear the story of fox and grapes. This is grape, this is fox. Fox is trying to get the grapes. Since he did not get this, he after that tell that grape is like khatta, right? It's like a pickle taste. But he did not taste this grape. Without tasting, he told like this. Like the situation of the failure in network marketing. Without tasting their result, they are telling they can't prove themselves. They are not eligible for network marketing. They can prove themselves, and they started telling the rumors of things. Yes. And if you want to know the more successful stories, more successful things, you can follow my channel, you can follow my YouTube. I can show you. We have a huge plus 25,000 plus team members. Our team members are earning more than by staying at home. They are from different background, might be a doctor, might be a professional, might be it's a trainer, and 21-year-old college girls before completing their graduation they are earning very much of amount. This sounds very good, right? 21 of year. I am now 28 of year. I can't earn this amount. Yes, because you didn't try. So my dear friend, try it. Everything, wherever you will go, definitely it's very difficult for you, struggling for you. So I'm just giving you a solution. Give your time, trying yourself. By sitting home, anyway you are sitting home now without job or something. Those who are lost the job, or those who are going to lose the job or want more money, they can also try this. Without trying, nothing will happen. Why don't you trying? And why don't you take a commitment yourself now? I want to do this. I want to prove myself by earning this amount. Then only you have to make a schedule and work. Then only it will be help for you. Yes. Go through the stories. Go real life stories. Go through many things. You will feel that it's not easy to do, but it's not difficult to do also. You will definitely can do this. Yes, I can do it. So this is my today's video. Follow more. Follow my second video. I'll give you more important trick and things for win the network marketing. And those who want to join Oriflame, comment me here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.